we are going to be replacing old trailer lights with some new ones. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. I am making a trailer light.
So that one was the ground wire, right? And now you're putting the nuts on. We just need to make sure we don't pinch any of those lights or those wires.
And now we grab our 7/16.
Okay. We got to make sure that these are out of the way.
Ready, you got it.
As soon as it clicks, then you stop, right? Got our trailer light. Time to string this out. And put it under there.
I'm going to put this through on the passenger side.
And where does the yellow one go?
The driver's side.
Okay.
You have to.
Okay, we're going to use what we have. Okay, we just have to string it under now. So, you want to go under or should I?
I should. Get through right there. Okay, all the way to this hole.
Okay, we're going to go this way.
Oh my god.
We'll go through it over there.
Wait, we gotta go through all these holes?
Yeah, that's the right way to do it. In this case, I want to pull the rest of the wire through for when I connect this, but I've got a lot of extra. So I'm going to pull it, but be careful not to cut it.
So this is pulling the wire through. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to see my other videos, and hit the like and subscribe.
If this is tight, I'm actually going to give myself a little bit of slack and cut it off so that if needed, I can rewire this. I'm going to connect these. So you do need a wire stripper and a crimpy tool makes it easier. And then there's you're going to get connected. One of the things that you're going to get with this kit is you're going to get wire nuts and these wire clip things. Not as big of a fan of those as these. This is a heat shrink connector, so I'm going to install that onto here because I want those to not get corroded and they'll hold up way better over time. If you don't already know this, the blue connectors, you should use the blue crimp. After I've done this, I usually pull to see if it's going to come off. If it does come off, it's not going to work and I'll have to try again. Now I'm going to heat shrink these.
So you guys can see it worked. He had to go get the other lighter. You guys could get a close look at it. There you go. And you guys know that if we can do it, you guys can do it. Believe in yourself. That's always something to do. Believe that you can do it. It's always something good to do. And
Belle, I like your message of positivity.
Positivity is always the best way to think of something. So if you're worried about how something would turn out, at least try it. And if maybe maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But if it doesn't work, don't give up yet. Just try lots of other things, and one of those things, I promise you, they will work. So always think positive and awesome. Love you guys. Yeah.
So up front, this is kind of what I have. I'm going to link this light kit in the description because these are made by MaxxHaul, submersible LED, just fantastic lights. I did my boat trailer a few summers ago, so I bought the exact same thing because I was really happy with them and I would recommend them to anyone. last thing to do is just check it out.
I'm gonna do the cup stack song.